Most people are going to have the idea of going to college, of graduating high school, going to college, getting a job, and doing the things that everybody else is already doing. So if you come from these environments, like I said, they don't have the tools necessary to teach you what you should be taught. Alright guys, so I wanted this video to be about credit and how I've utilized and leveraged it throughout the years to do certain things in my life, such as buying this car and other multiple vehicles, multiple houses, and other things that I have acquired throughout the years. I decided at a young age that I would buy my first real estate property while I was still a teenager. So I worked on doing that. I got in contract when I was around 19 years old. I ended up closing when a few days after turning 20 and moved out from the bad side of town to a good side of town. And I wanted to make this video just to be able to show you that it's possible, no matter what environment you come from, to make it out and get where you want to go. So one of the first things that you can do is, first you have to have belief in yourself and start to seek out knowledge from other people who are more successful than you. If you don't have nobody who's more successful than you around you, then you need to go pay for coaching, pay for books, pay for seminars, and go get surrounded by people who are doing more than you. One thing I would like to do is go to seminars, or I'll go and read books, or I'll try to reach out to people who are more successful than me on social media and ask them what is one thing that they did differently that I haven't done, or something that I didn't do. Because if you come from a poor middle class environment, the people around you aren't going to know the right route to go down because they haven't done it themselves or they haven't been exposed. It's not that they don't want to teach you these things, it's just they haven't been exposed to the things that you should be exposed to. Most people are going to have the idea of going to college, of graduating high school, going to college, getting a job, and doing the things that everybody else is already doing. So if you come from these environments, like I said, they don't have the tools necessary to teach you what you should be taught. To be able to learn these things, you have to invest in yourself and believe that you can make it out of where you're at. So like I said, I come from a poverty area, and I decided at a young age that I would make it out, and I acquired and I accomplished this at the age of 19, 20 years old. I'm 24 years old now, and the reason I'm starting to put out content videos is because I want to document the process. My next stage in life, or where I'm trying to go, is financial freedom, to where all my businesses create enough income to where I don't have to work no more, and that's what I'm currently working at. And I'm putting these videos out there so I can document the process, so y'all can witness the progress, and then when the end result comes around, you can see the whole track record of what created that financial freedom. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe now. Leave a comment down below of any suggestions, any video topics you have, any questions you have, and I'll try to get back to each and every single one of y'all. I'll try to make a video on the certain topics of ideas that you have, and we're just gonna move forward from there. We're gonna keep putting content out there. I might start posting not as consistent, but more quality videos, and that's what we're working on here. So right now we have a camera rolling over there, we have the light out, and we're out here downtown Corpus Christi, Texas, and we're just trying to improve the quality of product that I'm putting out, even though nobody's watching this. I'm making no money from this, but I believe in the future. I believe in the end result of what I want, which is the financial freedom, which is to be able to teach others what I know, and that's what I'm working towards. But I first want to achieve it myself before I teach it to others. Such as, you're not going to go to a fat person and ask them how to get in shape. The same way with wealth. I mean, you're not going to go to somebody who's broke and ask them how to get wealthy. And I'm definitely not broke, but I'm not where I want to be at. So I want to achieve the financial freedom that I want, and then I'm going to start teaching it to others. So as of right now, this is basically just free game, things that I've learned throughout the last 7 years on my self-development, business, fitness, and other things I've been related to and learning in the last couple of years. This is just the things I've learned. These are my ideas and insights that have changed and improved my life. So I want to put it out there, and hopefully it can make some type of change in your life, and it can add some value to you, and it might bring change to you and your family. So stay tuned and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on what we have to come, because there's going to be nothing but more and more better content coming throughout the years. And that's pretty much it.